Introduced by the Kirov Factory, the T-80 is the leading main battle tank, officially assigned to the Soviet Red Army since 1976. The appearance of this formidable combat vehicle marked an important milestone in military technology. The T-80 is also the first tank in the world equipped with highly durable complex armor. Historically, the production of these special tanks during the Soviet period took place at three large production facilities: the Kirov plant in Leningrad, the Dung plant, and the Milestone plant in Kharkiv. Notably, the Milestone factory, after the dissolution of the Soviet Union, remained located in present-day Ukraine and continued to produce a variant of the T-80, the T-84 Oblot. Located in central Russia, the arms factory is the sole production facility for T-80 tanks. Currently, this business mainly focuses on modernizing existing machines. Despite the passage of time, the T-80 has not yet been placed in the museum. This formidable combat vehicle continues to hold an important place in the strategic calculations of the Russian army. Information revealing that Russia will begin mass production of T-80 tanks was recently announced. Rather than simply upgrading or refurbishing existing models, this initiative signifies the comprehensive construction of these combat vehicles from scratch. The announcement was announced by Alexander Potapov, General Director of the famous Ural Wagonsavod Company, the largest tank manufacturer in Russia. T-80 BVM, the latest variant of the T-80 main battle tank, is equipped with a powerful gas turbine engine with an impressive capacity of 1,250 horsepower. This advanced update has been included in the combat composition of armor divisions in the Russian army since 2019, thereby marking a significant step forward in military technology. In a notable development, the Russian army seems to be on a favorable trajectory. Signs show that they are planning to resume T-80 production at the Nizhny Tagil facility, where the Ural Wagonsavod factory is located. Of course, experts may question why Russia, a leading country in the field of advanced military machinery production, does not increase the production of T-90M Prorif tanks. The T-90M Prorif has proven its strength and modernity. Indeed, this tank, thanks to its outstanding design and performance, has been honored as the best tank of the Russian army today. Experts are speculating that the decision to bring the new T-80 into combat formation was mainly motivated by its cost effectiveness, because Russia needed a large number of tanks in a short time. However, it is equally noteworthy that the T-80 BVM, a machine specifically designed to operate in extreme conditions, once intended for deployment in Arctic units, will provide superior to the T-90M under current battlefield conditions.